Living in today's fast-paced world does not come without its challenges. When life gets overwhelming or stressful, many people find comfort in unhealthy foods, alcohol, and recreational drugs. Even prescribed drugs and over-the-counter drugs can become habit-forming, and many people unintentionally fall prey to poor health habits, and they find it difficult to stop. Finding relief from stress soon turns into habits that we find very hard, if not impossible, to break. Cutting out sugar or even alcohol, for instance, can have unwanted side effects. So why is it so hard to give up the things that we know are not good for us? Well, if you thought it was about willpower alone, you might be missing an important fact. Our bodies respond to cues that come from our environment. Addictions, cravings, compulsions, or just difficulty breaking certain habits can result from the low-quality, light energy that these substances provide to our cells. Stress is also a major disruptor to our human energy field. So what does light energy have to do with addictions, cravings, and compulsions? The National Institute of Health explains that all living things have fields of information that surround and move through our bodies and can orchestrate changes in mood, energy, and even motivation. These constantly moving energy fields can affect not only how we think, but how we feel physically. Our cells converse with one another through light energy. Unhealthy foods and other man-made chemicals can disrupt the delicate transfer of this light energy or information to our cells. Scalar Light has programs that assist all body systems and support pro-cellular wellness. Our Addiction and Chemical Cleanse Support Program delivers energetic support to and through your body's energy field. The results are better impulse control and more control over cravings and addictions, loss of desire for certain foods, sugar, and alcohol. And as a fantastic side benefit, Scalar Light safely supports the body to release heavy metals and toxic environmental chemicals like glyphosate, BPA, and other chemicals that lower the light energy of cells. We invite you to learn more about Scalar Light and Addiction and Chemical Cleanse Support Program at scalarlight.com.